Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add fonts in Photopea step by step. Whether you're creating a logo, YouTube thumbnail, banner, or social media graphic, using custom fonts can make your designs look more unique and professional. First, open your web browser and go to **Photopea, Wait for the editor to load, then open an existing project or create a new one by clicking **File** and New **. If you already have a font downloaded on your computer, make sure it's in TTF** or OTF** format. In Photopea, click **File**, then **Open**, and select your font file. You can also drag and drop the font file directly into the Photopea window. The font will be loaded temporarily and become available during your current session. Next, select the ** text tool from the toolbar on the left and click anywhere on your canvas. Open the font drop-down menu at the top and find the font you just loaded. Select it, then type your text. You can adjust the font size, color, spacing, alignment, and other text settings to match your design. If you're using multiple custom fonts, simply repeat the same process to load each font. Keep in mind that fonts loaded this way are only available while Photopea is open. If you close the browser or refresh the page, you'll need to load the font again. After finishing your design, click **File** and save as PSD* if you want to keep the text editable. To create a final image, click **File**, export as **, choose **PNG** or JPG**, and save the file to your computer. And that's how you can add and use custom fonts in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.